Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update.
Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to clear cache in TikTok app. Okay, so in order to do that you need to go to your profile by tapping on this profile icon over here, and at the top right of this screen we have this three dot. Okay, you just need to tap on that and you need to scroll down until you find this clear cache. Okay, so I have 5.14 megabytes of cache and I just want to clear it. Okay, so guys, you just need to tap on this clear cache, this link over here, and you can see over here the message cache cleared. Okay, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.